We are pleased to show you the 2010 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, active suspension system, universal garage door opener. Come see the car for yourself.